there's never been a better time to be involved in a technology company, and that is either one that makes technology products themselves or has the main primary strategy be rooted in technology. It's never been a better time because the opportunities in all sectors of technology are just exploding. The issue is it's never been more challenging to be successful in those environments. So this program takes a look at every functional area, what may have been termed in the old days general management of a particular firm, and then layers on top of that the real key themes of this decade, which is things like innovation, globalization, developing alliances, and truly becoming a leader of your enterprise. We have about a dozen faculty assistants. So each faculty member teaches 3 or 4 days, somewhere in that neighborhood, of sessions. These take place in the morning using an MBA-style format of case studies and some lectures and so on. It is very highly interactive. This is what they call experiential learning. So everybody comes to the classroom and contributes. But these faculty are very, very special. We've chosen them because they are the best at that particular subject that we can gain access to. Again, some of them are Stanford faculty, maybe the majority, but others come from all over the world to join us. So some, you might be surprised, some of the real superstars, although I think they all are, include the 2 faculty members who are teaching accounting and finance. They each have the leading textbook in the area. That are in 8th or 9th editions. And they make finance and accounting not only, believe it or not, inspirational and exciting, but that it is absolutely geared to what is necessary for a technology manager and executive to know about right now, the leading themes in those areas. So that is some of the basics of business, obviously, finance and accounting. But on the other end of the spectrum, we have a celebrated author and professor from here at Stanford, Robert Sutton, who's just finished a book. For example, he's got a half a dozen books, but this one's Good Boss, Bad Boss, and I got to get this right, How to Be the Best and Learn from the Worst. So we not only have tremendous learning going on the strategic aspects of running one of these companies, but also on how to motivate and organize. After all, this is still regarded as one of the primary centers of innovation and technology in the world. And when I say this, meaning Silicon Valley and Stanford University. So we take advantage of that in the way we execute the program. We spend mornings on lectures, but mostly case studies of both successful and not so successful scenarios of in all kinds of functional areas of a technology company. Then we use the afternoons for some special activities having to do with either town hall meetings with CEOs or working on an innovation lab about what it means to create a new enterprise, whether within a large organization or a brand new startup. And then evenings are spent in small study groups with other executives, not necessarily from your own company, where I think that they turn out to be maybe the most the special part of the day because of the intimacy involved. To be more than just a manager, to be a true leader in these enterprises at any level, is going to take a special kind of person. You can't just understand a particular discipline or technology. You've got to have more breadth than that in leadership, creativity, innovation, and a basic understanding of the functional areas of the business. And we can do that, and we've proven we can do that with this program for high-velocity, high-tech kind of ventures and enterprises in 10 days.